Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the best free AI image generators in 2026, how they work and how to use them, and which ones are actually worth your time. Whether you are a creator, a designer, entrepreneur, or just someone curious about AI art, this walkthrough will help you know your options, generate high quality images, understand limitations and best practices, use the tools without paying a dime. Let's jump right in. What is an AI image generator? Before we start listing tools, let's clarify what this actually means. An AI image generator is a tool that converts text prompts into images, produces visuals based on your instructions, helps you create art, product mockups, designs, and concept visuals. In 2026, these tools are strong enough for branding logos, product visuals, social media graphics, concept art, marketing materials, but they're not perfect. And knowing how to prompt them makes all the difference. So let's go through the best free options. Let's start with tool 1, right in front of us, Leonardo AI, the free tier overview. Leonardo AI is one of the most popular free AI image generators in 2026. It stands out because it produces detailed imagery, it supports multiple styles, it's beginner friendly. How to access it? Go to leonardo.ai and hit get started to sign up with a new account. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type in your prompt. Okay, so let's have, for example, let's say mockup for for a modern tech brand. Let's keep it general. You can expand on that and say soft shadows, clean background, etc., etc. You can adjust style, size, and detail level here. Okay, so you can also follow the featured blueprint or the template and apply them to your image. Output usually looks professional even on the free tier. Tips: use specific descriptions like isometric, soft lighting, add details like photorealistic or flat design. This basically teaches the AI how to interpret your prompt. On to the next tool, Midjourney, free via trials or bots. I've extended my free trials, but if you haven't, you can start using Midjourney on Discord or on their website to start generating prompts. Okay, Midjourney, which remains one of the best for artistic and stylized outputs. How to use it? Join the Midjourney Discord. Right, search for Discord on your Discord. Search for Midjourney on your Discord, or just type midjourney.com and just start creating, right? Start typing the prompt. Okay, if you're using Discord, just type /imagine prompt inside the Midjourney channel and just describe your prompt. Vibrant fantasy storefront, bold colors, cinematic lighting. Midjourney is especially strong at artistic composition, stylized branding, atmospheric scenes. The only limitation is free credits are limited and you need a Discord access in some cases. But for high quality visuals without any cost initially, it's one of the best. The third tool we have today, Adobe Firefly. Okay, Adobe Firefly built into Creative Cloud and web and has a free tier in 2026. It's excellent for commercial safe assets, branded visuals, consistent styles, sets. How to use it? Go to adobe.com/firefly. You can sign in or sign up with the free Adobe account. Enter a prompt like this, right? Flat UI illustration of a modern e-commerce landing page, pastel colors, clean lines, and you can choose instead of image, video, right? Or in our case, we're gonna stick to the image and choose your model. Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, Firefly Image 5 preview, ChatGPT image, or Flux Context Max. Okay, so let me go copy this one for the upcoming one. All right, and then what you're gonna do, just hit generate. Okay. The Firefly's benefit is outputs are safe for commercial use, consistent across a series of prompts. For brand assets and product visuals, this is a very solid choice. Fourth tool we have today, Canva AI Image Generator. Canva's built-in AI tool is powerful for beginners. You will benefit from simple interface, template, one-click variations. So, how to use it? Go to canva.com and just type in your prompt, right? Let's say hero banner for social media. Okay, and you can describe the detail, product lifestyle, warm lighting. Canva will generate offer variations, place images directly into your design. Great for content creators and marketers. Tool number 5, OpenAI image generation, right? Or ChatGPT image generator. OpenAI's image generation offers free credits when you sign up. This one is more technical but very capable. So go to platform.openai.com, sign up or sign in. Use models like DALL-E with free credits. Example prompt, right? Clean product of a mock-up of travel backpack, photorealistic, soft shadows, warm lighting is isolated on white background. And you can try a style on a image, okay? So OpenAI generators are strong at interpretation and creative output. How to write better prompts, very important. Generators are only as good as your prompts. Here's a reliable formula. Subject plus style plus color or lighting plus mood or genre plus output type, right? So here's an example. Clean product mockup of a travel backpack, photorealistic, soft shadows, warm lighting, isolated on white background. Tips: describe lighting, soft, dramatic, cinematic. Add style keywords like flat, 3D, render, watercolor, vector. Mention output used like social graphic, website hero, mockup. This divides weak results from great ones. Okay. Now I'm going to show you live how I create images using using one of the tools. Okay, and you can basically compare the output quality and apply them accordingly. I'm gonna use one tool today, right? And in our case, I'm gonna use this tool. Okay, so I'm gonna hit generate, and I'm gonna see the outcome of my image, right? So you can see right here that they're generating the image, right? I'm gonna wait for a few moments, right? Once you have your outputs, you can use them in social posts, add them to website headers, create product mockups, use in branding kits, sell digital art, right? But check license. Important. Each tool has different license rules, so always confirm if you plan to use it commercially. Free versus paid, when it's worth paying. Free tiers are great, but limitations include watermarks, limited credits, lower resolution, smaller output sizes. Consider paid plans when you want consistent output, you need commercial rights, you want team collaboration. For beginners though, free tiers are plenty to start. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you some time. Too vague prompts, using one generator only, expecting perfect art on first try, ignoring license rules, not iterating variations. AI art is iterative. You will refine it as you go. Okay, so the best free AI generators in 2026: Leonardo AI, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Canva AI, and OpenAI. Okay, so the best free AI image generator in 2026 is not just about the tool itself, it's about how you use it. If you write great prompts, iterate on variations, understand where image will be used, you will get professional outcomes even without paying. If this walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Comment below which AI generator you want a full deep dive tutorial on next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.